How to create an offer on Lend at HODL HODL? Click on Create New Offer. Decide whether you want to borrow or lend. For this tutorial, we'll choose I want to lend. Next, we need to specify the amount. You can select a fixed amount or a range. In our example, we choose a fixed amount of $21,000. Choose the currency you want to lend and select the blockchain it will be sent on. We'll go with USDT on the Liquid sidechain. Define the loan term. We'll choose 8 to 12 months. The interest rate is set for the entire term, and the annual percentage rate, APR, reflects the total yearly cost of the loan. For example, we can select 10% IR or 10% APR. Accruing interest is shown here. The loan-to-value ratio, LTV, determines how much collateral borrowers must post. A higher LTV means the borrower needs to provide less collateral. The platform will calculate the exact amount of BTC required. You can enable the offer right away or keep it disabled for now. Optionally, you can make the offer private. You can also define a time frame for the offer to be active. For example, you could specify working hours from 8 o'clock to 17 o'clock and keep it available only on weekdays. This field allows you to add any comments if needed. Below that, you'll see a summary of the offer. Click Create Offer to Lend, and just like that, your offer is live.